Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I just came from Walmart and I got the catfish nuggets. They're frozen. I like it. I'm going to act just like it's fresh. I'm going to rinse it off. I'm going to bread it with my breading and I'm going to air fry it. I'm going to spray it with some oil and air fry it. So, I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. They say it's ready to cook, but I'm going to rinse it. Okay, why'd that go off? Okay, I like that light. Cut the corner of this back. The way it looks. Just gonna rinse it off. Put it in the bowl. These are nuggets. Now they also got the catfish fillets, but I bought that before too. There's a few fillets in there, but there's nuggets in there too, so you might as well just buy the nuggets. Nice sized nuggets. One more piece. You're supposed to cook this from frozen. So with me rinsing it like this, it's thawing out a little bit. Squeeze the air out this bag. Hold it down and clip it. I could vacuum seal it, but I ain't. I'm just gonna put a clip on it and put it in the freezer right now. Okay, let's rinse the fish. I'm going to put some mustard on it, just like I put on everything else. Regular yellow mustard, not that much. Put some pepper on it. Oh, I got lemon pepper. What is this? We got 2 lemon peppers. Let me see if this one is open. Yep. Ooh. This lemon pepper has salt in it also. Let me read this. I think it got salt in it. Try to watch the salt content. I don't see. It says all-purpose seasoning, so I'm sure it got salt in it. Caribbean citrus with a kick. I feel like getting my hand nasty. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to put some this Cajun, Louisiana Cajun Crispy Fish Fry in my breader shaker bowl. I'll just take all the rest of this. Yes. I'll put the link for this bowl in my description box. Just acting like this is fresh fish. It's frozen. And you can cook your fish from frozen. You can cook chicken from frozen. You know the wingdings that you get in the bag? They cook up real nicely. Little raggedy glove coming off. I usually put a rubber band on my wrist to hold the glove on. Okay. I'm using my CheFavor air fryer. It's a grill and an air fryer. I got it mainly for the air fryer parts. Okay. Put the top on it and shake. I prefer fresh catfish, but when I don't have any, this is fine. Nicely coated. I'm going to fill this back up. I think it's enough to spray. Okay, this says add food. I had it preheating. It's on the air fryer setting. You know what? I'm going to spray that. This air fryer has a bottom and a top heating element. Otherwise, it's like the Ninja Foodie extra large grill. It's a little bit larger. Okay. And that's going to be until I close the lid. I'm going to spray it. This is avocado oil I have in here. This is the Evo oil sprayer. I've tried the other ones. This is the best one, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm spraying oil on it. I'm still using a lot less oil than if I were to deep fry it. If I didn't spray it, then the flour, it would be all white and powdery when it got done. Okay, I set it for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it'll probably be ready before 20 minutes, but I just set it. So I'll be back, and I'm glad it has a window and the light comes on and I can watch it. So I will be back. Okay, turn this up to 450 for the last few minutes. You can't see good what's going on. Let me open it. Just about done. Okay, y'all. Here's my plate. I shook hot sauce on the fish. Got some salad. Trying to get a thumbnail. When I do stuff like this, I'm trying to get a thumbnail. A little close up. It's too close. And the fish is crispy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna taste it for y'all. It's piping hot, y'all. It's still steaming. And it's crispy. Y'all hear that? Mm. Oh my goodness. I can taste the lemon pepper on the fish. This was spicy Louisiana fish fry. Good. It's spicy. If you don't like spicy, you need... Okay, the card was full. I had to change it right at the end of this video. So, the fish is very good. It's spicy. If you don't like spicy, then you need to cut this with the regular breading or some flour. This is good eating, y'all. Walter don't like this. He likes fresh fish. This tastes like fresh. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.